Welcome to Advani Juristube channel. Today we will learn about the Section 4 of the Contract Act, 1872 simply states that the communication of a proposal is complete when it comes to the knowledge of the person to whom it is made. This means that as soon as the person to whom the proposal is made is aware of the proposal, the communication is complete, even if they have not yet had a chance to read or respond to it. For example, if a person sends an email offering to sell their house to another person, the communication of the proposal is complete as soon as the email is received in the recipient's inbox, even if they have not yet opened or read it. Similarly, if a person makes an offer to sell something to another person at a public auction, the communication of the proposal is complete as soon as the offer is made, even if the other person has not yet had a chance to bid. Section 4 of the Contract Act is important because it determines when a proposal becomes binding on the proposer. Once a proposal has been communicated to the offeree and the communication is complete, the proposer cannot revoke the proposal without the offeree's consent. However, it is important to note that Section 4 of the Contract Act does not apply to acceptances. An acceptance must be communicated to the proposer in order to be effective. Application of Section 4 in the 21st century. Section 4 of the Contract Act was drafted in 1872, at a time when the main methods of communication were post, telegram, and face-to-face meetings. However, the advent of modern communication technologies, such as email, mobile phones, and social media, has raised some questions about how the section should be applied in the 21st century. For example, if a person sends an email offering to sell their house to another person, and the recipient receives the email but does not open it until several days later, is the communication of the proposal complete when the email is received, or when the recipient actually opens and reads it? The courts have generally held that the communication of a proposal is complete when it is received in the recipient's inbox, even if the recipient has not yet opened or read it. This is because the recipient has the ability to check their inbox and read the email at any time. However, there are some exceptions to this rule. For example, if the recipient has set up an email filter that automatically deletes emails from certain senders, or if the recipient's inbox is full and they are unable to receive any more emails, then the communication of the proposal may not be complete. Ultimately, whether or not the communication of a proposal is complete under Section 4 of the Contract Act is a question of fact that will be decided by the courts on a case-by-case basis. Thanks for watching video. Viewers, please like, comment, share and subscribe Advani Juristube and press the bell icon for more details.